Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve EMDKMPFD.SYS BSOD blue screen error that you are experiencing on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer, with the error message your device ran into a problem and needs to restart. We're just collecting some error info and then we'll restart for you. O paano ba natin ito i-fix? And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to check for any new updates for your graphics card drivers. So open up on a search menu and then type mo lang dito yung device manager. Then click mo lang dito yung open. So dito sa device manager, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang iselect dito yung display adapters. So i-click mo lang tong arrow na yan para mag-expand. And then next step ay kailangan lang natin i-update itong kanyang graphics. So ang gagawin natin, select mo lang siya and then right click. And then select mo lang dito yung properties. And then pop-up itong kanyang properties. So makikita mo na dito mga kaibigan, yung other informations dito sa taas, dito yung general, and then next step ay select mo lang dito yung driver, and then makikita mo na dito yung kanyang details informations. So nandito lahat yung kanyang driver date, provider, versions mga kaibigan. And then next step ay kailangan mo lang i-click to update drivers. Okay, so click mo lang yan. And then pop up itong dalawang options na search automatically for drivers or browse my computer. So, select ka lang dito sa dalawa. And then, select lang natin itong search automatically and then tap lang natin yan. And then, wait natin. So, makikita mo na dito na the best drivers for your device are already installed. Okay, so in hope na na-resolve yung problem. But if the error still persists, so ang next solution natin gagawin, so close lang natin to. And then close, and then close, and then dito lang ulit sa search menu, and then kailangan mo lang i-type yung CMD, or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt. So kailangan mo lang mag-right click, and then select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click mo lang dito yung yes. And then dito sa administrator command prompt, ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na sfc /scan now. So in all small letter lahat, and then yung /scan now ay one word po yan. And then first mo lang yung enter. And then makikita mo na dito na beginning system scan. This process will take some time. Beginning verification phase of system scan. So kailangan lang natin hintayin na ma-complete ang verifications into 100%. And finally, makikita mo na dito na verifications 100% complete. So ang next step, so close lang natin tong CMD, and then dito lang si start menu at kailangan lang natin mag-restart. So i-click mo lang ito. Alright, so ganoon na po kasimple on how to fix EMDKMPFD.SYS BSOD blue screen error in Windows 11 or Windows 10. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.